Step 2. Base protection. Stand the base on its end. Unscrew the bed legs. Place the deluxe encasement over the old base with the white side on the bottom. Now place the screw-in barrier on the top of the wheel. Screw the wheel back into the base. Dust the powder inside and on the top of the barrier. Place the base on the ground and zip up. Simply move the bed away from the wall and you are now protected. To kill the bed bugs and their unhatched eggs in the room, simply keep the bed away from the wall for at least 2 months. The bed bugs in the room will die when they walk up the bed legs looking for a blood meal. If you don't have screw-in bed legs, then use our floor barrier. Dust bed bug killer inside. Place the barrier together and wipe clean. And place the bed leg in the barrier, and the floor barrier is perfect for bunk beds. All of these products are available at Bed Bug Barrier, or catch us on our website at www.bedbugbarrier.com.au. Remember, Bed Bug Barrier, you and your family are always protected.